In this video, I'm going to show you the basics of using Moon Animator inside Roblox Studio. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, on Roblox Studio, just go to the plugins, or if it is not visible, just go to the plugins tab here, click on manage plugin and make sure to enable it from here. And once that you have done that, you can just go ahead and click on it to open the Moon Animator. So first thing that we need to do is add a character. So we'll just click on character inserter and insert our character from the presets, which is going to be the R6 model. So I'll just click on it and you will see we have successfully added our R6 model. And now let's go ahead and customize it a little. So now I'll just click on Moon Animator and you will see we have successfully opened Moon Animator. Now let's say I want my character to carry something in his hand. So I'll just go to the home and go to the toolbox sword and add something like sword in his hand. So I'll just click on the sword to apply it and click on OK and click on yes. And you will see we have successfully added our classical sword. So now I'll just go ahead and move it inside the workspace just like so. And after that I have done that, the first thing that we need to do is weld it together. So I'll just close the toolbox for now and go to plugins and use the easy weld which comes with Moon Animator. So I'll just click on easy weld. And now that I have done that, I will make sure my sword is selected and click on clean first. And once you click on clean, you will see the sword will have a part and handle. And once that you have done that, just go to the parts section and first make sure to expand the R6 models and choose your part where you want to carry the sword, which in my case I want it to carry it in the right arm. So I'll just select the right arm and press Ctrl key on my keyboard and select the handle of the classic sword. So I'll just click on handle and click on join. And now once that we have done that, you will see we have successfully joined it with the character. Now what we want to do is make it natural. So as you can see, the sword is sitting in the awkward position. So I'll just click on new moon to file and I click on the plus icon and choose my character, which in my case is going to be the R6. So I'll just click on it and click on OK. And once that we have done that, you will see different handles appear. So basically these are the handles that you can use to move your character to your desired position. So when you click on the particular handle, you will see two options, or you will get two options. One is for rotate and one is for moving. To switch to move, you just press R key on your keyboard and now you can move your parts, or you can just press R once again to switch between them. So I'll just go ahead and resize my sword so it fits the character. And once that we have done that, you will see we have successfully aligned it with our character. And now let's add a bit of animation. So just go to the 0 frame and start by animating your character. So I'll just create a simple animation. So this is just a simple back flick animation. So I'll just go ahead and preview it. So it is nothing special, I just made it for the tutorial purpose. Now if you want to smooth out your animation, so basically just select all of your frames just like so and just go to the keyframes and go to edit selection, and under style just click on the drop down and make sure linear is selected. If you choose it for none, I'll show you the preview of how it will look, and you will see it will look laggy and it will not be smooth. So now just go ahead and set it to linear and you will see it will be pretty smooth. Just click on OK to apply. So the another way to smooth it out is just select the keyframes that you want to smooth out. So let's say I want to smooth out this particular keyframe. I'll just select, or I'll just press M key on my keyboard and you will see it will be successfully smoothened out just like so. So basically this is the timeline. So you can increase or decrease the timeline length by just going to the 3 dots, and I suggest for beginners to keep the timeline size at 1 second and hit enter. And now you can go ahead and resize it to your liking by just dragging this, or you can also drag this particular zoom feature just like so. Now if you want better controls for the timeline, you can just use the middle mouse key to navigate around your timeline. So I'll just go ahead and show you how to do it. I'll just press middle mouse key and you will see we can move or pan it exactly the way we want, giving us some extra controls. Also, you can press the key B on a keyboard to enable the onion skin. This will show the faded version of your previous poses, making it easier to animate smoothly. If something looks wrong, Just press the letter G on a keyboard to reset the selected part to its original position. You can also save your animation by just clicking on Save As, and you can give your animation name like third. Once that you have done that, you can just go ahead and export it and just click on OK. And once you have done that, I'll just go ahead and open the properties panel by just going to home and clicking on Explorer. And once that we have done that, you will see under server storage, you will see our folder. So you can just open the folder and just right click on your file that we renamed earlier and click on Save and Export and save it to Roblox. After you have done that, just add a description and choose your asset category like model animation. I'm just gonna go with model and resize the window and click on Save. And that's the basics of Moon Animator. Once you get comfortable with these steps, you can start creating smoother and more advanced animation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.